Thank you for your interest in our Tach-It CTL machine. We have your bags loaded in the hopper, and this is the control system. You have your on-off switch, your conveyor speed, your options. We're going to turn the label head on, and then your file system. You have 5 memory presets, and in each preset you control your label speed, which is the speed of the label head versus the conveyor speed. Your label start delay, which is a position of the label on the product, and your stop delay, which is a fine-tuned adjustment for the label feed. Let's go to the main screen. Make sure that run is hit here, so this is stop and start of the machine. And we're going to turn on the conveyor and run some of your bags through. As you can see, each one is labeled consistently over the area you wanted. I didn't have the exact right size label, but used the best one I had. Thank you for your interest in our Tach-It products.